this is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So they sent me an email and asked me if I'd like to review some more of their products. And I said, yes, of course. They're a great budget-friendly company. They've got all sorts of bits and pieces. And they're a great company to deal with. So I have chosen 3 different items. Something a bit different this time. Oh, that looks intriguing. Yes, what I might do is I might just start with the big one on top. So I got 3 different items. So the first one, now I saw these and I thought, oh wow, they look so cool. And already I'm like, oh my god, that's bigger than I thought it was. So this is actually a jewelry box. And they look really cool. They have all different designs and colors. I've chosen the heart. But I actually thought it was going to be smaller than that. Anyway, so we've got our bits and pieces, and we've got our box. Oh wow, that is so cool. That's really big. I thought it was going to be like, you know, small. Oh, that looks awesome. So, jewelry box, standard toolkit, and your drills. So let's have a look at this. So on the front, it's got this beautiful heart design. Oh, that looks so cool. So it's very sticky. And it's easy enough to see the symbols on there. Wow, that looks really awesome. So it's got a zipper. And that runs very well. And then inside, check it out. Wow, that's really cool. It's got a spot for your rings. It's got 4 separate compartments, a little pocket, and 3 little hooks. Gee, that is really nice. It's really very well made, actually. It's so soft that it's not felt, but it's very similar to, I guess you'd call it felt. It's very nice. Wow, that is cool. Zip it back up again. So the outer case actually feels really sturdy. I don't know it's not cardboard. It feels like wood around the outside. So it's very, very sturdy. That looks gorgeous. Look at the design. I love all the little flowers in this heart. That's what I thought. That's just gorgeous. They had a butterfly one I nearly ordered, but I decided to go for this one. But there's actually quite a lot of drills in there. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, we'll have a look at those drills. Get him out of the way. So it's special drills. So it's going to be very colorful and very sparkly. And how many colors are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different drills. Okay, so we've got some really beautiful blue ABs. Some little teeny tiny teardrop purple. Teeny tiny teardrop red. Oh boy. Teeny tiny teardrop yellow. And teeny tiny teardrop clear. Wow, so they are my least favorite drills to place. They're very fiddly. They look fantastic when they're on, but they're very fiddly. So there's 4 different colors. It's going to be fun. And I'd say they all represent the petals of those little flowers. So it's going to look very effective. And I'm just having a look there too at the backs of those drills. They look very, very good. Don't really see any scratches. Look pretty good actually. Nice and shiny. And then you got these gorgeous pink teardrops. Wow. Some really beautiful marquee. Look at the colors in that. That's amazing. Some pretty pink marquees. And oh, and you got these really cool special shape flowers. Yellow flowers. They've got a little bit of AB coating on them as well. Oh, they're interesting. Oh wow, that looks really, really cool. So those flowery ones, what are they? So on your strips of the drills, they actually have the symbol number on them. So that one's A, that one's B, that one's 6, and so on. So you just look and see. So that's color B or symbol B, and that corresponds to B. So they're those ones there, those flower ones. Yes, all those teeny tiny teardrops are all those petals and the flowers. Wow. So that's very detailed for such a small project. And you got quite a few colors going on in there too. That is going to be gorgeous. And like the top, so it's sort of hard, sturdy on the bottom. The top around the edges is the same material inside, and then you got like a padded top there. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to do that one. So that is item number 1. Item number 2, so a little while ago I got a coaster from OneDaySaving, and I did a whip and chat, and I loved it so much that I wanted another one. And they do have a set of 6 and all different designs or whatever. I just sort of got an individual one because I kind of like doing them one by one. So I've got one coaster, standard toolkit, and some drills. So the coaster I've chosen there, I just love the design actually, and the colors in it look really, really cool. So this is actually wooden. It's like MDF. It's very sturdy. It's got a good thickness on it as well, and that has a lot of drills on there, so that's going to keep me busy for a little while. It's kind of cram-packed in there, and I just love the design. I love this heart. I like the pointy star, and I like the petals of the flower around it as well. I just thought it was really pretty. And you got this gorgeous little centerpiece there. I thought it was really gorgeous. So like with the other one, does it have plastic on it? Just trying to peel the plastic back. Yeah, there we go. Can't get it. Got it. So all you do is you pull the plastic back, and it's sticky. It's very, very sticky actually. So I found when I did the other one that I had to be quite exact where I was placing the drill, because if it was slightly off, that adhesive is super duper sticky, and I had to pick it off with my nails to move it, but that's really, really sticky. And again, like with the jewelry box, you've got your different symbols there. So you've got A and U and asterisk and that, and they just correspond to the symbol printed on the packet of the drills. So but that's a lot going on in there. It's going to be awesome. So that is special drill as well. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and they're all rhinestones. So you've got some clear rhinestones, gorgeous purple. Oh, I love that color. Drills look really, really good. Beautiful blue, black, and then some pretty pink. So very basic colors, but with all those designs and swirls and stuff, it's going to look absolutely amazing. And again, these are printed much easier to see. There's your symbols. So symbol A corresponds to symbol A on the coaster, etc. So it's got them printed on the front. Very easy to follow. So blue, pink, purple, black, and clear on that coaster. So if I have a look at the pink, is color M. So it's the pink goes that little circular bit there, and the purple is color Y. Oh yeah, so the Y is kind of interspersed in the center bit as well, and interspersed in there. So I like the fact that there's only 5 colors, because you're going to get a really beautiful pattern coming up on that. But that is just gorgeous, and I love doing these coasters. They're so much fun to do, and the effect is just amazing. So gorgeous. Very happy with that. So that is item number 2. And the last item that I have, getting into the spirit of Christmas because it is just around the corner. I cannot believe October's almost finished. Oh, where is the time gone? It's just, oh my goodness. So this particular one comes in a bubble wrap bag, padded bag, and it is a Christmas table ornament, I believe. Okay, so it comes very well packaged. Drills. And we've got some foam board that it is packaged in. So I just want to show you that packaging is very, very well packaged. So nothing is going to scrape and smush the contents. And this is a beautiful Santa table ornament. Really impressed with that packaging. It's very well packaged. So it is a Santa table ornament. Now I've seen these on there and I just like, oh my goodness, I really, really want one of them. But then deciding there's a few different designs actually, and I ended up going with this one. But yeah, there's a couple that I had it down to, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have to get this one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So packet of your tools. So there is a single placer, a plastic set of tweezers. I don't use those, they're a bit too flimsy. You've got your drill tray, and there's a little chain in there, and that little chain, I'll kick him out. There's your toolkit. And your little chain hangs a little star, so I'll show you how that works in a second. So you've got the stand. So this is all like acrylic plastic. So I've got stand, little star. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Little star. And then you've got Santa. Just love it. So this section here sits in there. And it sits up like that. Whoops. Sits up like that, and then you hang the little star from his hat. Oh, I just thought it was so cute. So again, with the other ones, the symbols are printed there so you can easily see them. It is single-sided, and that looks really nice and clear. There's no issues at all reading that. So there's actually quite a few drills to put on there. And same thing, you just peel the plastic back. That one was a bit easier. Get it? Just peel that back, look for symbol number 3, apply it on there, and it's done. And that is super duper sticky. I love that. Really beautiful and clear. Look how well they've done the face too. That just looks so realistic. You have beautiful holly on his hat, the gorgeous stars, and then you hang the little beautiful little star from his hat. Oh, I thought that was so cute. That is just gorgeous. So the actual plastic, the acrylic is quite, oh, it's pretty thick. It's very sturdy. That is beautiful. All right, we'll have a look at those drills. All right, how many have we got? There's going to be too many. Oh, yeah, there's a few. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different drills. So that's quite a bit on there. They are marked on the front, so that's symbol 1, symbol 2, symbol 3, etc. And you've got some beautiful gold stars. Some gorgeous red rhinestones. Again, they're looking really good, these drills. Clear, so that's all in his beard and the top, bottom of his hat. Beautiful yellow. Oh, it's like a soft grey, that colour. Wow, that is really cool. Very pretty. Green, so your typical Christmas colours. Got some larger red rounds. Look, the backs of those drills look amazing. And you've got some little stars as well. That looks awesome. So the little stars. Oh, right. So on this little guy, he has symbol 1 and symbol 4. So he gets a big star in the middle, and then all the yellows, yellows, I'd imagine. So that goes on there, and then, so where do the little stars go? Eight. Big stars go there. Big stars go there. I cannot see symbol number 8. It's not very well outlined. So he's got little stars in his beard. Wow, that was hard to find. Oh, they're all sort of sprinkled through. Yep, gotcha. Okay, so he's got little gold stars in his beard. Now that's cool. But isn't that just gorgeous? So I'll probably do a whip and chat on that one a little bit later on. But I just love his face. Isn't it really well done? It's going to look amazing. So that is the Santa table ornament. And then you just use, they've given you 2 chains. You only need 1. And you just hook that through there and hang it from his hat. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Alrighty, so that is what I got from OneDaySaving. I have that beautiful table ornament. I have this gorgeous coaster. And this absolutely gorgeous jewelry box. How beautiful is that? So I got 3 different DIY diamond painting crafts, all special drills. It's going to be so much fun to do these, guys. I cannot wait to get started on them. Really beautiful, beautiful products from OneDaySaving. I will put the links to these guys in the description box below if you're interested in them. I'd like to thank OneDaySaving for sending these out to me. These are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.